COVID-19 has undoubtedly disrupted every aspect of our lives and made everyday activities difficult to navigate. Around the world, people had to work from home, and what used to be an occasional thing became a way of life. Companies, along with their employees, had to constantly improvise to adapt to this new normal. It wasn't an easy journey for anyone. Hence, newer means and constant innovation became the only ways to adapt. Along with protocols such as sanitization, wearing masks, and vaccinations, what has been adopted by many organizations is regular testing for employees. Rapid antigen tests have made things easier as results come in quickly. It has been a good practice, helping to address the need to maintain a healthy environment and instill confidence in employees. In addition, contacts of affected individuals can be traced. The combination of vaccinations and testing has ensured we are attacking the pandemic on crucial fronts.
Just when we started seeing a reduction in number of cases, some semblance of normalcy returning, we yet once again see an increase in number of cases driven by the latest variant. Along with COVID-appropriate behaviors and vaccination, testing remains a cornerstone of COVID-19 management. Because when we know our infection status, we're able to prevent and manage situations. Timely detection and staying vigilant are the only ways to understand this virus that continues to exist and mutate.
We are looking safety in 3 areas. First, personal level. High level of awareness has been created on masking. There are social distancing norms in every interaction. Transportation is operating at 50 levels and canteens social distance norms are maintained. Second, at the workplace level, there is a regular sanitization which takes place of workplace. Temperature monitoring is done of the employees, and also ventilation, which is a very important aspect for spreading infection. The third area is at the overall organization level. All the companies have undertaken vaccination program for the employees. Also, high thrust is maintained on immunity levels.
But companies did not stop at that. Many added medical facilities at the workplaces, such as separate rooms and beds for positive patients.
We ensure that each and every person working in our premises is checked at least once in a week, and that has helped us in arresting the spread of COVID in our plants as well as in offices. We have also established COVID centers in our plants, so we have all the latest gadgets and facilities available to meet out any eventuality. Fortunately, we could control it to a great extent. We have the complete medical center, including 24/7 oxygen availability.
Glass separators on desks have been common, but along with reducing workforce in office, organizations have established processes to maintain social distancing in staff cafeterias and public areas.
We created a COVID task workforce in the office to work on connecting with people who are unwell. It used to go around in the office and also ensure that safety protocols are being followed. We had started operating in a hybrid workplace manner before Omicron set in. We realized that people are really pressed hard and stressed. We ensured that people are given additional leave only to re-energize. As a policy, we did that. As a policy, we have also been helping people financially, all those who got affected in the second wave, to ensure that the additional expenses which are coming through this COVID treatment are taken care of, and it doesn't end up in a huge financial burden for people.
Awareness generation and counseling have been adopted as means of addressing the needs of employees, with a special focus on emotional and mental health. Companies are adopting innovative means to address this need. Organizations are constantly incorporating changes to make the workplace healthier and better.
During the entire COVID, we were very clear. We will keep all our employees, and we've kept all the employees on board till date. That means none of the employees were asked to leave the organization, but we are back to normal as on date, I would say. In terms of the how we've taken care of our employees, as I mentioned earlier, also being a part of the family members, our employees are treated in the same manner. We made sure all our employees have got due amount of leaves, which also was an area where they could have got back to their family members who were from outstation. Taking their leaves, being with the family was very, very comfort factor for them. There were employees who were still required to work in the hotels when the hotels started functioning back. We made sure we stationed them in the hotels, in the hotel rooms, because we wanted to make sure they are absolutely safe, secure with us in the organization.
Among the tests that Abbott has launched in India is the PanBio COVID-19 Rapid Antigen Self-Test. This test helps in identifying people with infections, especially in situations like schools, universities, workplaces, community gatherings, and in the comfort of your homes.
ASSOCHAM is working in tandem with companies across the spectrum to enable a safer and healthy return to work with the motto Health First.